To summarize, the SafeSide framework provides a common language for best practices across a system or region, and in-place learning is a flexible, sustainable approach to learning the framework or other things. It has 3 components: our in-place workshop, that's the video-guided group experience hosted by a member of your team.
Community of practice and regularly scheduled live office hours where you'll have ongoing engagement with SafeSide and others doing this really important work. And updates and refreshers, quick learning opportunities posted regularly to help us all keep up to date and learning together.
Thank you for your help making this an engaging, enjoyable, and successful experience for your group and organization.
We look forward to welcoming you to our community.